Hey, River. River. What's this? What's this? Hmm? Okay. Where's the cat hairs? Hmm? Where's the hairs of the kitties? You're so cute. Here's the furminator. You like the furminator? Hmm? These are some very hot days to be dealing with a fur coat. Wearing a fur coat on a 100-degree day, that's rough. Right? Right, little girl? And right here on the nape of her neck is where she grows a lot of extra fur. Okay. Yep, lots and lots of extra fur. Yeah, we gotta get you. Look at this big pile of fur. Okay, darling, how you doing? You my good girl? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Wow. Hello, hello, little girlie. Hello, little girl. You are the nicest girl. Did you know that? Did you know that? You are the nicest little kitty. Oh, we have more piles of fur over here. Oh my goodness. Such a lot of fur. Like a big stack of fur right there. Oh, hi, Mommy. How you doing? Hello. Oh, come here. What's up? What's up? Hmm? Did you know we're catching your mom? Yeah, we're catching her, hopefully. You can meet your mommy again. You're such a good little mommy. I found her when she was pregnant. And she had her babies a few days after I brought her in. And this is one of her babies. And this is her brother. That's why his name is Brother Baby. Hi, Brother Baby. Hello. Are you a good boy? You, my little blue-eyed boy. You are such a good boy. Did you know that? Did you know that? He doesn't like the furminator. He doesn't have a whole lot of fur. And he doesn't eat very well. Oops. Oh, you're gonna go get the fly? She's in hunting fly mode. Good job. Good job, kitties. Don't let the flies exist in here. Of course, we could put some, how do you do that? You put pennies and water in a baggie and hang the baggie on the wall. Like a Ziploc bag with water and pennies? Is that what you do? How did you do that? I don't remember exactly. Oh, you go back and forth between being fierce hunter and cute little kitty cat. Cute little pettable kitty cat. You are so sweet. You are my good girl. You are just my good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're so little. You're just so little, River. Okay. Time for some coffee. Got my milk from the farm.